With the country in the lockdown again, there are many obstacles that we face in our daily lives. Going out has become a risk and businesses have closed shop to adhere to the lockdown norms by the government. However, as the famous idiom says, where there's a will, there's a way. This video is all for the coders as well as people who want to learn to code but are falling short of a laptop or a desktop. In these perilous times, it is almost impossible to find an alternative for a laptop or a computer. Let me lay down some of the scenarios for you. You may borrow a laptop from a friend, but it will become tiresome for both of you to borrow it every day, as he or she would need it for their daily work too. Furthermore, due to lockdown, it would be difficult to travel every day, so it's safe to say that we can scratch out this option. Another thing that we could do is order a new system online. But then again, all the e-commerce companies have stopped delivering electronics and any other non-essential items. Thanks COVID. Just forget about all these problems because we at Radness have the ultimate solution for you for all the coding problems. But before that, check out our very own application, the Radness Tech app. If you're curious about technology and would like to stay updated in few minutes about the latest tech and tech news, download it right now. We also have monthly giveaways of some amazing rad techs and tech products. So why the wait? Pause the video right now, install the app and try your luck. The link is given in the description box below. Coming back, let's get started with this video. But before doing that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever a new rad video drops in. Collaboratory was launched in 2017 by Google. Collaboratory, or Colab for short, allows you to write and execute Python in your browser. Google Colab doesn't require any setup. Just plug into the website and start coding. The whole of the operation is cloud-based. There is no requirement of any external software installation. Talk about making things convenient. Is your system powerful enough to handle the graphics and the code requirement? Worry not, Google will provide the necessary configurations for you to run the written code. As we are talking about convenience, Colab comes with pre-equipped libraries, and I mean a lot of them, so that the life is easier to you. Amazing support to GPU, that is graphical processing unit, that handles the visual exaggerations of your program, as well as TPU, which stands for Tensor Processing Unit, is an AI accelerator application specific integrated circuit ASCI developed by Google specially for neural network machine learning, particularly using Google's TensorFlow software. My favorite, dark mode support, which makes it better than all other competitors. It has great support for versioning. Git repositories shouldn't be hard to create. Easy to share? You bet it is. It is hassle-free to be shared on Google Drive, so sharing is not a problem that you need to take care of. And the main point, you don't need a laptop or a computer to run your code or to compile it. All you need is a sweet old internet connection. Another little hack on the goodness, as with all other apps or services, Google Colab 2 has a Pro version that takes the features altogether to a next level. Colab Pro provides you with more RAM and more disk, means more room for your data. Again, all the programs are stored on the cloud, but with the Pro version, everything increases, no pun intended. It also excels in terms of processing your code and lesser idle timeouts, which lets you brainstorm more. Significantly, with Colab, only a single machine can be used to run multiple programs. However, with Colab Pro, you can use multiple machines for multiple programs if the need arises. Colab Pro costs you around $9.99 per month to avail all the services. It is an essential service in times when people are desperate in need of non-essential services. Clean UI, dark mode, and a compiler that functions smoother than the best brand of butter that you can buy. If you are an avid coder that is shackled by the restrictions that you have no laptop but still wanna have the best possible outcome, this, my guys, is the go-to website for you. Also, whether you need a Pro version or not is totally up to you upon your usage. However, if you are an amateur or a beginner, we recommend you to grind your gears on the free version until you get your hands on the Pro version. So I hope you guys had fun watching this video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button and share this video as much as you can. Also subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that you are the first one to receive fresh new content. Comment down what you think about our views and take on Google Collaboratory. Until then, this is Ayush signing off. Stay safe and stay rad.